Is it like the lights are on? The screen?
I can see it counting numbers.
Numbers, yes. Excellent. Dude, look at my fucking mirror. Bank. Oh, it's fine. We'll just have to suffer. Oh, a bump. Boink. Oh, my face shield. It's the one thing I hate about. I'm a heavy breather, you know? So, my visors are always fogging up. Anyways, let's start up the video. I'm here with Mr. Luke Shermer. After you, sir. On the 300 Rebel ABS. Mr. Luke, professional squid. I need an exhaust on this thing. It's not that loud. It's not that quiet. But it does sound kind of like a lawnmower. Gosh. Fucking son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to get him really good. I'm too good. Hey, psst. You want to race? I think that's a yes. He's too scared. Today we're going to be talking about starting on a 600 bike. Do I regret it? What are the pros? What are the cons? Let's get right into it, hot doggy. I'm going to say the first pro, you know, you're starting on a 600, it's cool. Everyone's going to think it's cool. So the cool factor, I'm going to go on this side so he can't get me. Oh, I got him. Watch this. Yes, I got him. Dude, I pissed him off. That was funny. I don't think he heard me. That was funny. Alright, so like I said before, man, that's Luke Shermer, the Squid Lord. I'll put his Instagram right here. You can go follow him if you feel inclined. Anyways, we're talking about 689 cc's of cubic centimeter fun. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? I need to go to work and fix my mirror, because that's, look at this. Who's just gonna help? Nobody. Ooh, so fast. All right, dude, I keep getting sidetracked, baby. Do I regret buying this 689 liquid cooled naked street bike? No, I don't. Let me tell you why I don't regret it, dude. Number one, it's cool, right? You know what I'm saying? It's kind of fast. It's not overwhelmingly fast. Like, I mean, if you want to go off like top speed, it's not fast at all by any means compared to, like, you know, a Gixxer 1000 or a Hellcat. Sometimes I wish I got a 300. Look at my fucking mirror, dude. Yeah, I don't think starting on a 300 is not a bad thing, dude. So, you know, whatever your homeboys are telling you, or your mom or your dad, starting on a 300 is not a bad thing. You want to grow into something, or you want something that you're going to outgrow? Because in most cases, when someone buys a 300 motorcycle, that's what happens, dude. They outgrow the motorcycle. And just for me, I didn't want to grow out of something. I wanted to buy my first bike and keep it for a long time. And I think that's what I'm doing so far. I mean, I like this thing a lot. It's fast. It's lightweight. You know, I can throw it around pretty fucking easy. It's got low end torque. It's quick, for sure. Alright, guys, picking up from what we were talking about yesterday about do I regret buying the MT-07 as my first bike. Just had to run to work real quick to put my front turn signals back on. Actually, you know, it'd be a good idea to make sure they work, huh? So let's find out. Oh, you scared the shit out of me, Alex. You fucking scared me, man. It's all good, man. All right, dude. We're just we're continuing the topic from yesterday. We talked about the looks of the bike. You know, I've done some cosmetic stuff to make the bike look more appealing to me. Talked about the power. I had the willpower to keep this from going like that all the time. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it's a light bike. Whoa. It's a light bike. I think they weigh like 420. Nice. 420 pounds. Like all fluids, full tank of gas. Of course, there's times where you can hammer it a little bit. I mean, that's fine. But you just have to understand that this thing can get away from you really quick. And this happened to me a couple times. I just kind of like, whoop, and it's bang. Yeah, but talking about the weight, like, this bike is super light. Like my buddy's R3, I rode that a couple times. That's pretty light. And of course, it's gonna get heavier the bigger the motor is, you know. I also sat on my homeboy's, I think it's an Electra Glide, fucking 900 pounds of bike. Dude, I couldn't even like stand it up. I was scared. I didn't want to drop it, but that thing is so nice. The seat's not that bad either. Like the riding position, it's okay. Actually, it's really good. It's ergonomic. It's not too like over the bars. It's not super relaxed like a cruiser, so you still kind of get that aggressive riding position like you would with a sport bike, but just not super gnarly. So like everyday riding, like it's perfect. All in all, dude, this bike, good purchase. And especially if you buy it on the used market, like, oh my goodness. Brand new, I think they're 75,000 with the ABS. And I don't think they don't make it with the ABS anymore. So all you can get is ABS. It's not a bad thing. I mean, especially as a first bike, you don't want to be able to lock up the wheels. Should you buy the MT-07 as your first bike? I'm gonna go ahead and say yes, assuming that you have the willpower to not mash the throttle all the time. So as long as you can limit yourself as far as your throttle input, then you'll be fine. It's a great bike. I think I'm gonna wrap it up there because I'm putting 2 days of riding in one video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, dude. I really like reading the comments. But most importantly, dude, don't forget to smash the notifications button. So next time we put something up, it'll be like Spin City has uploaded a video, and then you can watch it and smash the like button. Boom! Spin City, baby. See ya. Hey, if you made it this far, dude, drop a comment on what kind of bike Martine should buy. Because Martine's thinking about buying a bike. Leave a comment, say sport bike if you want a sport bike, cruiser if you want a cruiser, and naked sport bike if you should get a naked sport bike like Ben B. Alright, now I'm out.